Korea's struggling GM Korea unit. The U.S. carmaker's Korean unit averted a bankruptcy filing with a wage deal clinched last month, but analysts and customers, as well as the South Korean government, have had doubts about GM's commitment and about how long the loss-making company will remain in business. The terms of the binding deal to be signed on May 11th seeks to assuage some of those concerns. South Korean Finance Minister Kim Dong-yeon told a press conference that as per the agreement, GM cannot sell any of its 77% stake in GM Korea over the next 5 years, and also cannot let it fall below 35% thereafter.
This afternoon. Next, we have today's special report, followed by Thailand in Perspective.
This is Radio Thailand News. Special report.
Today's special report has President of the Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau, Chirut Pitsarangun Nayutiya, discussing the government's planned organization of a major cycling event in Phang Province. This special report is presented by the Public Relations Department.
The Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau, or TCEB, and the Ministry of Tourism and Sports have announced a contract to organize the world-class cycling race, the Le Tap Thailand by Le Tour de France. This will take place in Phang Province from October the 19th to 21st this year and the following 2 years.